Hello everyone, my name is Geetika Grover. I am the PYP Coordinator at Manav Rachna International School, Faridabad. When we talk of PYP is an inquiry-based curriculum framework which is transdisciplinary and is student-centered. PYP focuses on developing conceptual understanding which leads to holistic development of our young learners. PYP starts from early years where the students explore inquiry through play and symbolic exploration. They make real-life connections. PYP helps students to initiate and ask questions, take ownership of their learning, sustain their interest and extend their knowledge, and develop an understanding of themselves and the world around them.